It's pouring rain out, and I just kind of want to come out and see what our animals do in a rainstorm. I know there's plenty of places for them to take shelter. I don't have any cameras out here, so I don't ever actually know where anybody goes. Looks like all the chickens ran into the chicken coop. The pigs are just right out in it. They don't even care. They're probably loving life. Oh, it feels good. The donkeys are inside their house. Looks like the sheep are just walking around under the trees over there. What are you guys doing? The emus don't care. It doesn't matter what weather it is. They'll be out in it. They don't care. So the sheep, they don't really care, I guess. It probably feels good. It's been hot out today. But all the chickens, they hunkered down. Looks like the bunnies did too. And the goats. All the goats are inside their house. The donkeys are inside. But the pigs, the emus, the sheep, they don't care. Nobody used the stable. That's empty. What's up, Betty? I see General way down there in the woods. All right, I'm going back in before I get too soaked. It's starting to let up now. Yeah, the pigs are enjoying it. I'm sure it's releasing a lot of berries. So they're just out looking for berries and getting wet. It's a real quick storm. I looked at the radar. It's only going to be about 20 minutes. But yeah, we really needed the rain. I'm glad it came. The garden needed it. What's up, guys? It's almost over. All right, back inside.